Hello students, today's video for 9th standard English medium subject Science and Technology chapter 6 Classification of Plants. Main points are phanerogams, division first gymnosperms, division second angiosperms. Phanerogams. Kingdom Plantidae classified into two types, cryptogams and phanerogams. Plants which have special structure for reproduction and produce seeds are called phanerogams. In these plants, after the process of reproduction, seeds are formed which contains the embryo and stored food. During germination of seed, the stored food is used for the initial growth of the embryo. Depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not, phanerogams are classified into gymnosperms and angiosperms. Next, division gymnosperms. You may observe all garden plants like cycas, Christmas tree, hibiscus, lily. If you compare the similarities and differences among them, you notice that gymnosperms are mostly evergreen, perennial and woody. See in the picture, example of cycas. Their stems are without branches. The leaves form a crown. These plants bear male and female flowers on different saprophyls of the same plant. You see, seeds of these plants do not have natural coverings. That is, these plants do not form fruits and are therefore called gymnosperms. Gymno means naked and sperms means seeds. Examples of this division is cycas, Christmas tree, thuja, deodar. Next, division second, angiosperms. The flowers these plants bear are the reproductive organs. Flowers develop into the fruits. Seeds are formed within the fruits. These seeds are covered. Therefore, they are called angiosperms. If you soak the seeds of corn, beans, groundnuts, tamarind, mango, wheat, etc. in water for 8 to 10 hours. After they are soaked, check its seeds to see whether it divides into two equal halves or not. According to this, it is categorized into two types, dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous. These plants whose seeds can be divided into two equal halves or dicotyledons are called dicotyledonous plants, and those whose seeds cannot be divided into the equal parts called monocot plants. Observe and verify. See in this flow chart dicot plants and monocot plants. First point is seed. They have two cotyledon in dicot plants and single cotyledon in a monocot plants. Second, root. There is a well-developed taproot system. In case of dicot plants, there is a well-developed fibrous root system in case of monocot plants. Stem. They have strong hard stem. Here in case of monocot plants, hollow stem, or in case of onion, disc-like stem. In case of banana, false stem. You see bamboo tree in your house. Leaf. There is a reticulate venation in dicotyledonous plants, and in monocotyledonous plants there is a parallel venation. You see in case of banana, there is a parallel venation in the leaves. Flowers with 4 to 5 or in their multiples, tetramerous or pentamerous. Flowers with 3 parts or in multiples of 3 parts called trimerous in case of monocotyledonous plants. See in the picture and identifies the plants monocot and dicot. Here there is a flow chart in which we see kingdom Plantae classified into cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams again divided into 3 divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Phanerogams divided into gymnosperms and angiosperms. Again angiosperm divided into the dicotyledonous plants and monocotyledonous plants. Thank you.